Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes, fix Microsoft.NET Framework unhandled exception has occurred in your application. First method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Programs and Features. Click Turn Windows Features on or off. Check .NET Framework 3.5 and check .NET Framework 4.8 Advanced Services. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type sfc /scanno. Type dism /online /cleanup -image /restore hell. After complete 100% exit and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.